stupendo, fantabulously fantastic video. Have you guys watched it? President Trump for you guys. I mean, अपना ऐसा AI वीडियो खुद कौन बनाता है और बकायदा पोस्ट कैसे कर सकता है? ट्रम्प को पता है ना कि ये AI है, मतलब उन्हें ऐसा तो नहीं लग रहा that he's actually there, actually playing. Will he ask for the trophy tomorrow? Yeah, that's Kari Lake, who posted this too. Do you know who is she? She's Trump's media advisor. No comments. Well, after Trudeau's post, this grand celebration, they deserve it. And everyone should make a noise, USA, USA. That's how Hitler started? Hi ladies and gentlemen, time for some Zinternational. So have you read headlines all over? The US is on the brink of war with Iran? Yeah, that's right. But isn't it too fast? मतलब एकदम से, I mean, usually Middle East wars are like Marvel movies, months of promotion, manufactured hype, and intelligence reports that look like VFX. नहीं? Okay, इतना भी शॉकिंग नहीं है. ट्रम्प अंकल चिल्ला कर बोल तो रहे हैं, ईरान साइन द डील, ईरान साइन द डील, नहीं तो yesterday nothing. Today there's an entire armada in the water. भाई इतनी जल्दी तो स्विगी वाला घर भी नहीं पहुंचता जितनी जल्दी इनके शिप्स पहुंच गए हैं. And the reason, Steve Witkoff says they are 1 week away from a bomb. 1 week? मंडे तक एटॉमिक बॉम्ब?
Are you kidding me?
अरे मंडे को तो लोग ऑफिस जाने से भी डरते हैं, ये बॉम्ब फोड़ने की तैयारी कर रहे हैं. Is it 5-day business days to the bomb? Do they work on weekends? I need to know the logistics. But wait, didn't President Donald Trump himself said that Iran's nuclear program was completely and totally obliterated? Yeah, obliterated. Khatma.
Iran's key nuclear enrichment facilities have been completely and totally obliterated.
Trump ने कहा था it was obliterated like nobody has ever seen before. अब ये कौन सा नया obliteration है जो 2 हफ्ते में वापस आ जाता है? This is like my gym membership. हर महीने मैं कैंसिल करती हूँ पर हर महीने बिल आ जाता है. And if it was totally destroyed, then what are he striking now? Are they going to bomb the rubble of the rubble?
अभी मैं गाली नहीं दे सकता.
The strategy here is mind-blowing. They sent a giant fleet to pressure them to sign a nuclear deal. Wait, but Trump uncle, आपने ये भी तो कहा था कि आप withdraw कर रहे हैं from this deal. No, you said it. Watch.
Therefore, I am announcing today that the United States will withdraw from the Iran nuclear deal.
So you want the deal or you don't want the deal? I think you didn't want the deal and now you want the deal. Is it that time of the month? ये तो वही टॉक्सिक रिलेशनशिप वाली बात हो गई कि ब्रेकअप मैंने किया, ब्लॉक तूने किया और अब मैं तेरे घर के बाहर गन लेके खड़ा हूँ, मुझसे शादी कर ले वरना गोली मार दूंगा. Okay, wait. What is this now? Trump uncle is calling airstrike claim a false news? Like really? Why you guys were lying? Our 5 minutes got wasted. Trump uncle is not up for the war, but threatening? Oh, that's fine. Down there in the post, he wrote, I would rather have a deal than not. But if we don't make a deal, it will be a very bad day for the country and very sadly, it's people because they are great and wonderful and something like this should never have happened to them.
तू समझा? हाँ. नहीं, तू समझा नहीं.
How peaceful. ये लाइन्स बोर्ड ऑफ पीस की दीवार पर गुदवा देनी चाहिए. मसीहा ट्रम्प के मीठे शब्द कानों में घुलते रहने चाहिए. यही हरकतें हैं ट्रम्प अंकल आपकी. सैंक्शन लगा दूंगा, एयर स्ट्राइक कर दूंगा, ये कर दूंगा, वो कर दूंगा. लगा दिया रशिया पे सैंक्शन. हर बार से ज्यादा एक्सपोर्ट किया है रशिया ने. यस, रिपोर्ट्स बोल रही है कि रशिया ने अब तक जितना ऑयल नहीं एक्सपोर्ट किया था उतना इस बार किया है. हाँ जी, माहौल बनाओ आप बस. ऐसे नहीं मिलेगा नोबेल प्राइज. Show some real emotions, Mr. Trump, like punch too. Oh, did you guys see those cute videos? क्या तुम भी वही हो जो रात को 3 बजे अपने ब्लैंकेट में घुसकर पंच के वीडियोस देख रहे हो? क्या तुम्हारा लोनलीनेस कोशेंट भी इतना हाई है? क्या यार, एक बेबी मंकी ने पूरी दुनिया को रुला रखा है. मीट पंच, the 7-month-old Japanese monkey. He's not just a monkey, he is the internet's emotional animal. लोग उसे देखकर ऐसे रो रहे हैं जैसे उनका अपना ब्रेकअप हो गया हो. Anyway, literally millions are rooting for him because he is painfully relatable.
ये दुख का खत्म नहीं होता बे.
पंच की स्टोरी थोड़ी इमोशनल है. His mother abandoned him at birth. Sad? I know. There is more. बंदर समाज ठीक आदमी समाज जैसा निकला. We are almost the same. किसी ने उसे अपनाया नहीं. वो गया. He tried to gel up, but he couldn't. So what did the zookeepers do? उन्होंने पंच को एक IKEA plush orangutan दिया. And guys, he bonded with it. Instantly, he drags it everywhere, clings to it and sleeps with it. अब ये देखकर पूरा इंटरनेट इमोशनल हुआ पड़ा है. IKEA की सेल्स बढ़ गई हैं. Everyone wants that toy. Recently, एक वीडियो वायरल हुआ जहां दूसरे monkeys पंच को थोड़ा पुश कर रहे थे. Internet exploded. People were like, "Save Punch! I'm flying to Japan right now to fight that monkey." भाई थोड़ा रिलैक्स करो. The zoo had to release a statement, guys, he's not being bullied, he's just learning social rules. वो बस लाइफ सीख रहा है. It's called being a monkey. अरे वो ग्रूमिंग सीख रहा है, खेलना सीख रहा है. हो जाते हैं हम लोग, थोड़े सेंसिटिव लोग हैं. बस हमारे यहाँ कुत्तों की रक्षा के लिए सुप्रीम कोर्ट को आना पड़ता है. Else we are sensitive, right?
कैसे कैसे लोग रहते हैं यार यहाँ.
Wait. What is he doing? Easy bro, easy. Am I the only one जिसे लग रहा है कि Punch is bringing out its frustration on orangutan? That's the right lens to see? No? Okay. Alright then, time for some real chaos from the world. US stocks dropped on Monday after President Donald Trump ramped up his newest tariffs, while investors continued to punish companies that could be losers in the artificial intelligence revolution, reported AP. The public display of violence in Mexico following the slaying of drug lord El Mencho could continue for a few days or weeks given his stature within the Jalisco New Generation cartel and the group's extraordinary military-style capabilities, veteran cartel watchers tell USA Today. Canada moves to revoke 2611 accused the Havrana citizenship ahead of PM Carney's visit to India. That was my time, guys. How did you like the show? Comment down. If you liked the video, hit the bell icon. We'll meet you Monday to Friday, same time with International Spices Ads International. Keep watching Zingabad.